Hi guys, so today I want to talk about a different type of transformation. So last week you worked on translations, those were slides, and this week we're going to work on what are called reflections. So reflections are flips, they're mirror images. It's the same thing as a reflection in the mirror, a reflection in the water. A reflection would be a flip. And so we're going to start with using some IXL here. And I wanted to go through them with you just to give you some idea of what you're going to be looking for. So it says to graph the image of rectangle PQRS, so that's this guy here, after a reflection over the y-axis. So we remember that this is our y-axis. And so it wants us to reflect this over that y-axis. And so our reflection is going to be equidistant from this line. So let me just change the color so you can see it. So we want, for example, R to be the same distance from the y-axis here as it is on the other side. So we can see that R is 1, 2, 3, 4 away. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 away here. And then you're really just going to draw your rectangle. So S is 1 away from R. So we would go 1 this way. And then we can see how long is our rectangle. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to go down 5. And in this case, it's nice because you can match it up with the other one. So that should be my reflection. So when I come over to do it on IXL, you are going to click on the vertices. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then back up. Oops. Now that you have them all done, you hit submit. And we can see that we have that right. So again, we're going to reflect over the y-axis. So I'm going to highlight my y-axis so I know what I'm looking at. Terrible, but good enough. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw this triangle DEF so that it's the same distance, but it just flips over to the other side. So for example, D is 1, 2, 3, 4 away. So we stay at the same y level. We're moving over 4 to the x here. So that's where D is going to be. Okay. We're going to do the same thing with E. E is also 4 away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, but here up at 8. So we're going to have E up here. And then F is down at the 2. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 away. So we're going to come across here 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. Oh, I don't know what this one is. That's a mistake. Take the eraser. So then we're going to go to the IXL here, and I'll show you that I'm going to go D, E, F. And it automatically makes your triangle, so you don't need to go back to the beginning. Hit submit. And we're doing wonderfully. So same thing here across the y-axis. You guys got that one down, or hopefully. Okay, so here's where it's getting a little tricky. It says graph the image of the trapezoid PQRS after reflection over the line x equals 3. So remember that when we have an x equals 3, we find x equals 3 on my x-axis, and we want all the points where x equals 3. So that's actually this vertical line here. So instead of reflecting it over the y-axis, now we're reflecting it over here. So when we go to count, we're going to count from this green line. So P is 1, 2, 3 away. So I can go 1, 2, well, that's 1, 2, 3 away. So that's on the y-axis here. Q is, let's see, 1, 2, 3 away. So 1, 2, 3. R is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you'll see that as you do this, you're going to go further and further away, but you guys should be all set here. So it's the same idea. Follow along. If you have any questions, reach out to me and we'll talk then. Okay.